Gardening promotes health.
Among many hobbies we have, gardening is more useful because it helps us to be healthy. Gardening involves a lot of activities like digging, removing earth, pulling, pushing, walking waggy, lifting and running, which give a lot of exercise to our body. So we do not to go for a gym. Our home gardening is our gym. This helps us to prevent from dangerous diseases like diabetes, blood pressure, cholesterol and heart strokes. And also gardening gives us fresh vegetables. The vegetable we buy from the market contain chemicals that are very harmful to our health. So gardening protects us from that health danger too. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe.